Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2018 Chevy Impala Premier, stock number Z9922XX. 35,000 miles on this Impala. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, black in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5 years, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating. The Impala is in the large car class, seats 5, leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Very large trunk, one of the largest in its class. This Premier has keyless entry along with proximity key entry, remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, Bose sound system, power driver's seat along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. It is Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible, navigation, and there's of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. And heated front seats. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious glove box. Overhead. Homelink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Impala has a 3.6 liter V6, 305 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 19 miles to the gallon and a city average of 28 on the highway, and ready to go with new tires. For more information on this Impala, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.